Hey, we're live down here today on Bright Homes, our sister park. Obviously, we've got Unity, the main park, Shane. Then we've got this one, Bright Home. And then we've got Golden Sands down there. And we've just bought a new park as well, Seven Lakes up in Lincolnshire, guys. So we're adding to the portfolio, doing the place up. But I wanted to share something with you today because I'm in a really good mood and it's hot. I wanted to share this van we're selling down at Bright Home, yeah? 39,995, a 2-bed, 2021 ABI Coworth Deluxe. Look at that. And you've got your own parking space there, Shane?
Yeah, lovely.
Right. Then you've got, obviously you've got a garden, but it needs a bit of a cut, okay? Alright. Obviously, you can move in within a week. A couple of days you can get yourself in here, Shane.
Yeah, beautiful, mate.
I mean, come down for the next 7 weeks when the kids are off school and make the most of it, guys. The weather down here is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the quality of it. It's very, very comfortable. Oh, you've left your phone there, don't forget.
Oh.
Double glazed, central heated. Location, location, location. Swimming pool, golf club, wonky donkey, 100 yards to the left. Beach, 50 yards up there, onto the Golden Sand Beach, where you can have a dog all year round if you want. On the beach. The only beach in, I think, England, is it?
I don't know, mate, to be honest. On the south coast, maybe.
You can have a dog all year round.
12 months.
No age limit on the caravan, guys. Stay as long as you like, as long as you follow the park rules, which is fine. Yeah. Got everything for the winter. So you've got the fire. You've got big, put the old TV up there. It's a nice summer effect, man, isn't it?
Yeah, it's lovely, mate.
All built in, loads of cupboard space, mate. It's gorgeous. This will suit 4 people if you ask me. Yeah, big windows, fire, microwave, fridge freezer. You know all this anyway. I'm just telling you where it is. Sorry. Right, look at the size of this, Jen.
I know, mate. King size bed in a 28 by 12. That's amazing, that nice.
All the caravans over here are privately owned. Do you know that? This is the last one. Site fees are, Shane?
4,800.
Perfect. Do you like it?
I love it, mate. The only thing on top of the 4,800 is your gas, electric, and insurance. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, nothing else.
Yeah, but there's gas bottles over here.
Yeah, gas bottles.
Look at the size of this radiator.
That's massive.
Have a look at that bathroom. It's lovely.
Oh, mate, that's fantastic.
It just needs, all it needs, mate, is probably a small clean. We'll get Shirley over here with a vacuum cleaner
Yeah.
and get it done, yeah? Then you've got another bedroom in there.
Decent size mattresses in here, mate. Nice
Perfect. You
size.
can put them beds together, Shane.
Cool, yeah.
And if they want, I'll show them the front of the front of Breakers if they want, if they come with us.
Come on then, we'll have a look at the play area.
Go and have a look at the front.
There's a little arcade here as well, isn't there?
So look how handy you are for the facilities.
There's a little butterfly there.
Huh?
Little butterfly over there, Nige.
Oh, I love butterflies.
I love a butterfly. Don't see him.
Many butterflies.
Mate,
this
you
year.
don't see him. I've not seen any for quite a few years.
I tell you what, I haven't seen the tallest years. Wasps.
Oh, yeah, I haven't seen many.
Say, have you?
Yeah. I've got a
There's the
few.
swimming pool, Shane.
Lovely.
So you can walk there, then you can walk down to the country club and have a meal, or you can take a left up to the Wonky Donkey. This is how close we are. Yeah? Little park for the kiddies playing. Yeah?
Sun trap here, mate. This is lovely, yes.
Nice outdoor eating facility.
Dog friendly.
Then you've got the arcade in here. Okay? Nice arcade. And it leads through into Breaker, Shane. Well, look. Smoking area for smokers with lights in it. There you go. What's the food like?
Lovely, lovely.
Is it alright? You okay?
Yes, thank you.
Oh, that
You
looks
need
nice.
anything, just put it on the tab, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Gorgeous, isn't it? All air conditioned. Shane.
Yeah, nice and cool in here,
Stunning.
mate.
And on the weekend,
Nice little stage.
Entertainment on the weekends. Yeah? Absolutely beautiful. So, your man's there.
Hey,
So you don't even need a taxi to get home at night.
amazing.
And then, I'm not going to do it now, but I'll do it in another video. I was going to take you up and show you the beach, just at the top of the hill. And I've got some more videos on the park, okay, of all the facilities. And if you want any information or anything, send me a message. Listen, thanks for watching, guys.